Okay. You ready?
Ready.
Well, hang on. You gotta scratch on the itchy. Scratch, okay? Huh? Wait, hang on. Hot means ice cream. I get ice cream now. Yeah. Oh. You like it? Yeah. Never mind. Okay. All right. It took the great magicians to escape from this rope in 3 seconds. It's gonna take me 5 seconds to escape. All right? The great magician, David Copperfield, Lance Burton, David Blaine, Chris Angel,